Hi, friends. So I'm going to retell the story of Pete the Cat and his magic sunglasses, but without the book. Let's see if I can remember. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a kitty named Pete the Cat. And Pete was very sad, and he had never felt this way before. He had the blue cat blues. That was the first thing that happened. And then along came Grumpy Toad. But Grumpy Toad was not sad. Pete said, "Why aren't you sad, Grumpy Toad? You're always sad." And Grumpy Toad said, "Try these cool new sunglasses, Pete. They'll help you see things in a whole new way." Let's see. The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. So Pete put on Grumpy Toad's glasses. And he said, "Far out. You're right, Grumpy Toad. Everything is all right." Well, along came Squirrel. And Squirrel was very angry. And Pete said, "How you doing, Squirrel?" And Squirrel said, "I'm angry. I've only found one nut." And Pete said, "Try these cool blue sunglasses. You'll feel all right." So Pete gave Squirrel the cool new sunglasses. And Squirrel said, "You're right, Pete. Far out, dude. The sun is shining. The sky is bright. The birds are singing, and I'm feeling all right." And off he went. Then along came Turtle. And Turtle said, "I'm so frustrated. I'm stuck upside down in my shell, and I cannot get up." And Pete said, "Try these cool new sunglasses, Turtle. They'll help you see things in a whole new way." So Turtle put on the cool blue sunglasses, and he said, "Right on," or something like that. "The sun is shining. The sky is bright." Maybe the sky is bright, the sun is shining, but "the birds are singing, and I'm feeling all right." Well, then along came an alligator, and Alligator said, "I'm so sad. Nobody wants to play with me today." And Pete said, "Try these cool blue sunglasses. They'll help you see things in a whole new way." And Turtle said, "Awesome." He said, "The sun is shining. The sky is bright. The birds are singing, and I'm feeling all right." And oh no, the glasses, they fell and they broke. And Pete said, "What am I gonna do?" But along came wise old Owl. And Owl said, "Pete, you don't need glasses to see things in a whole new way. You can do that yourself. You just have to look at things in a different way." And Pete said, "You're right, Owl. I will look at things in a new way. The sun is shining. The sky is bright. The birds are singing. And I'm feeling all right." Thank you, Owl. You're very wise. And that is the end. All right. Bye, friends.